front squat. So for the front squat, we're gonna get into like a normal front squat position like we would. Now, if you can't get underneath the bar with the clean position, the rack position, a couple things you can do here. One, you can use straps, tie them to the bar, wrap the straps under it. You can literally hold onto the straps and get into position. Second thing is that you could do as an alternative, is you go with an old school bodybuilding grip, hands across shoulders, elbows slightly up, okay? Just make sure if you get in that position, if you have a hard time getting into the rack position, chances are when you go elbows up, you're gonna have a tendency to arch your back. So just be mindful of that as you get set up. If you gotta record yourself doing it to make sure that you're not doing that, that's okay. Just go ahead and do that, and if it doesn't work out, then I'd say if you had to pick one or the other as far as an alternative, I would go with straps under and get under the bar, okay? But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do the execution out of the front squat. So just like any other squat, same rules apply. It's just now the bar is located differently relative to our body. So we got it out front and we got it up top. Zercher squat, we got it out in front, we got it like midline. Back squat, obviously it's sitting on our back. So it's a little bit different and it's a little bit more complex than the first two. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get underneath the bar, got myself set, get in my squat position, brace, inhale through the nose, let the knees shoot forward, heels stay flat, explode up. It's front squat.